you got one, bud. You got one. Fish on. He got one with the pole. Get him, Stone.
Pull it back. You got it?
Come on. Fight him, boy.
Ready? I'll help you. Whoa!
Yeah! Atta boy. Hey guys, what's happening? We just came out to their aunt and uncle's little farm, and they got 2 little farm ponds here. We're gonna take the night crawlers we caught last night and see what we can catch, right, Stone?
Yep.
What do you think we're gonna get, Sage?
I think we're gonna get catfish.
Catfish, all right. Catfish, bass, bluegill. Let's see what we can get, honey. We got some cicadas too. They're about done, but we still got a few left. Sonny Bob, what are you gonna catch back there? Huh? You gonna catch a big one? Fish on! All right, trying the night crawler first.
Want me to rip him?
Yeah, you can rip them in half.
There.
Good job.
There you go.
Sage wants to try out the cane pole first. She likes her cane pole, huh, honey? There you go. Look at that. Stick it out there, see what you get.
Good job, Sage! Woohoo!
Fish on, Sage! Let's see what you got. There we go.
Good job, girl! You yacked it up.
And he was on this like on the banana done.
Good job, honey. Reel him. What you got? Keep reeling. He's on there.
Still on there.
He's keeping it under. What we got? Another bluegill.
Oh,
He's a fighter, huh? Atta girl. Hey, get in here, little buster. Good job, Sage. Another bluegill. Good job. You want to chuck him back? Oh, Sage is a kisser. Ooh!
I'll keep that one.
Nope. We put him back so we can catch him again next time. Let him get bigger, right? There you go. Good swoop out there, boy. Lift it up. Lift it up. Keep it up. You trying to call him in with your pole tip hitting the water? Stone's calling the fishies in. Don't scare them. Not that much. Lift it up. You got, oh! You almost had him, bud.
I thought about a catfish.
That was a big one.
Yeah, here, you're tied up with sissies.
You were calling him in. Good job. There you go. Sneak out there a little bit. Swoop it around.
I can't reel it in.
Huh?
I can't reel in.
Reel it.
I can't.
That one don't have a reel, does it? No, that's just a pole. Just lift it up. Oh, you got one, bud. You got one. Fish on. He got one with the pole. Get him, Stone.
Pull it back. You got it?
Come on. Fight him, boy.
Ready? I'll help you. Whoa!
Yeah. Atta boy.
Eat that one.
That's a big enough one to eat, but no, we're gonna let him go today. We're not eating fish today, boy.
Why?
Cause we eat fish the other day. That's a good one. Did he fight hard?
Yeah.
You pulled him in?
Good job, dude.
Good catch, boy. Rock on.
Here you go.
You got one? There you go. Fish on. That's a baby bass there, Sage. Good job. Put your thumb in his mouth. Yeah. He gone.
Woohoo!
Mama's got one.
The water table.
Put it in the water table.
Yeah.
Fish on. That's a party one, Sage.
Put it in the water
Flipping and flopping.
table.
Mama's bringing it to Daddy.
Put it to the water table, Dad.
You think that's little enough?
Yes.
Okay. Here you go, Sonny Bobber. You want to catch a fish? Sage got one for you. Oh, we got a flipper.
You got flip fish. You got flip fish.
What do you think? Is that your new pet bluegill there, buddy?
It's the flip fish. right there.
There you go. Where's he at in there, Sonny? He's flipping around. You see him, Sonny?
Yeah, I saw him.
Sonny, here he is. There's a fishy.
Ooh, I don't know where this fishy. Oh,
There you go. That's a good pond day right there. Mama's gonna try out that cicada. Oh, don't get yourself.
The cicada got me.
The cicada bit you. What do you think, Stein?
Yeah, they have been.
Chris needs a worm.
Chris needs a worm?
Yeah.
All right, go get Uncle Chris a worm.
Plastic worm isn't working.
They like that live nightcrawler, huh, buddy?
Not yet.
Oh, she's way out there. Mommy's gonna catch a big one, Sage.
Mom, here. Did you give me flowers? Yeah. You get one. And
Oh, thank you.
And you get one.
Daddy gets one too?
Yep.
Thanks, buddy. Love you, bud.
It's down.
How's that look, Stone?
Mama's popping with her flower. Fish ain't popping much, but they're
He's
coming.
not-
They're
He's
coming.
not flapping.
Yeah, cicada died.
Got one. Got the
Fish
little
on.
guy. Got him.
That a girl.
I saw him bite it.
Got a little guy.
Two.
Whoa, he's
That's a
flipping
perfect
and
one for
flopping.
the pond.
Oh, yep. He came off the hook. Perfect.
I will.
Try and reach down and grab him.
Ah.
Wait until he quits flipping and then grab him.
Which way do I
What came up on
Ah!
There. There you go. Got him? Good job. You gonna chuck him back? Oh, gotta kiss him first. Good job, huh?
Ah!
Oh, he didn't make it.
He's in there. I kissed.
Where you at, Flipper?
I kissed the
See?
fish.
There you go.
Reel him in.
You got one? There you go. Reel him, huh?
What do you think he is?
Big bass? He's fighting. Oh, fighting like a bluegill. There he
That's
is.
a big guy.
Hey,
All
color on him, honey.
You're getting all of them today.
Good job.
You gonna throw him back in?
I only throw the little ones back.
A little too big. All right. Want to try a cane pole again?
He's
Oh!
peeing.
Peeing on me.
He peed all over Uncle Chris, huh? I don't know if y'all noticed, but Sage, Stone, and Sonny, they got me a new shirt. You know, I always say, good boys. Well, got my Bush shirt. Says good boys on it. Thanks, guys. Love y'all. Sage, you want to try your cane again? Oh, there you got one! Woo! They got the biggest one yet. All right.
I was gonna get it for
I
you.
told you. Right when I said you want to try. Look at that. Nice bass. There you go. All right, chuck them back. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, it's a little hot, huh?
Really hot. You're sweating. I feel nipples.
You getting one? Oh, you got one. There you go. You flipped her up.
I feel some little nipples.
Yep, you got it. Good job, huh?
Ah, my bowl.
You stuck in a tree? Whoops. Yeah, there you go.
I showed you my secret spot.
Yeah, you catching them all. Good job, honey. All right, guys. I got you guys taped to the end of the cane pole. I'm gonna send you out with the cicada so you can see live action right over the cattails here. We're gonna droop you in. Here we go. Let's plop you in there. I'll probably catch a big old bass now that I got you guys at the end. I got him! Fish out! Hopefully you guys got a good view of that. Live action. All that's left is the cicada's head and a line over my nose, but We got him.
He says, I'm not ready.
You were sideways.
I'm going back.
All right. All right, we got a chatterbug here. Let's see. We like them making noise. Oh yeah, and fluttering. We're gonna get something here for sure. Oh, there you got a bass! Live action, look at that! They got a bird's eye view for catching it too. Did you guys all see that bite? Came up and nailed the cicada stone. I sent them out on the cane pole.
I feel it this.
What do you think, bud?
I feel it with this.
Are you sticking it? Well, thanks y'all for hanging out with us fishing again. We had a blast fishing with cane poles and fishing poles out at their aunt and uncle's farm ponds. And did you have fun?
Eat it.
He don't eat sticks. He eats worms and cicadas, goof butt. So, this is kind of why we started a channel, just give us another reason to hang out with our kids, and don't forget to hang out with y'all's kids. What I say?
Guys are too much fun. Rock on.
Hit 'em, Stoney. Rock on, y'all. He goofy. Ready?
Hi, Sonny.
Keep flying.
Hi.